A little bit of storm damage out here. They're cutting this tree. Like, there used to be a tree here, but now it's all gone. Because I think the storms. Look at these clouds. Look at those clouds, though. Big, puffy white clouds. The storms ended like a couple hours ago. Here, cutting down like the tree. Or a couple of the branches are getting cut down. Let's go in the front yard so we can get a better view. I have my phone plugged into the charger again because its phone died on me. Almost died on me. It's like 2% because I was filming 2 YouTube shorts. So hoping those get some more views. If you walk over here, you can really see lightning probably struck this tree last night. Because look, this is up point of the tree. If you remember last night, there's a big flash and the bang. You see, like, the tree up here is gone too. Like, this tree, all of this is basically gone except for this little part of it. Those are all branches coming from the tree. Oh, they're trimming those trees down too. Wondering if it was that lightning last night that did this. Oh, there's 2 flowers in that bush. This branch is like... This thing, I could probably pull this off. Look at this. Like, all of this, look at this. Take this right off the tree. Look at how shedded this tree is. Or at least this branch is. We peel off the bark. Like, look at this. It's literally severely damaged, which I don't understand how that got that bad. This tree is still yada, but I have this tree over there is getting cut down. This one's like had 95% cut down. We're gonna go on the back porch again. We have the front yard view, which I don't know. This tree over here was definitely hit. Something lightning hit something back here. These big puffy clouds rolling by. The sun right there. Dude. Why is there a Santa right there? Bye, guys.